day and welcome to Machine Drawing. I am Bolomope F and I'll be your tutor today.
In this course, we are going to go over these several topics. The first topic will be where we define what a graphic language is, because machine drawing is a graphic language. Then we'll move on to classifying drawings. So we'll classify it into four main parts, which is machine drawing, production drawing, parts drawing, and assembly drawings. Once we're done with that, we'll move on to screwed fasteners, where we'll talk about screw threads, nuts, bolts, and locking arrangements for nuts. So when we're done with screw fasteners, we'll move straight on to keys, cutters, and pin joints. After which we'll talk about couplings, that is the rigid couplings, flexible, disengaging, or the non-aligned couplings. So once we're done with couplings, we'll move straight on to pipe joints, riveted joints, and welded joints. After which we will expand further on what an assembly drawing is. So we'll talk about assembly drawings. So once we're done with assembly drawings, we'll move on straight to CAD. After CAD, we're going to use the knowledge of CAD to learn AutoCAD. For this course, you're going to need your writing materials. That is, you're going to need your jotters, you're going to need your pen and your pencils. You also need either you have an AutoCAD installed on your system or you get an A2 paper. If you get an A2 paper, then you definitely need drawing materials. So you need your mat sets, you need your T-square, you need your drawing board, and you need any other graphic drawing materials. Thank you for giving Alohomora Academy a try. I'll see you in the next lecture. Good day.